Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Tucson key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started by preparing your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key blade, then pull the blade out completely. With the key blade removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Once removed, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.